Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to log into Snapchat without verification code. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening them, make sure that you have entered your phone number and email is correct. After this, you can now tap on login, and after a few seconds of loading, the account will be logged in without verification code. And the second method is you can just simply contact the Snapchat support, and here the issue is solved. And this is the way you can log in to Snapchat without verification code. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.